Magandang umaga mga kapuso! Isang successful businessman at isang ganap na plantito from Zamboanga City ating makakasama this morning. Nakagawa lang naman siya ng history matapos niyang mag-live plant selling while on board sa isang private plane. Let's meet the rare plant live seller from Zamboanga City, si Sir Benj Villalobos. Magandang umaga and welcome po dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta po kayo this morning?
Okay, magandang umaga mga kapuso. Ayan, I hope everyone is fine and everyone is okay. Kumusta kayo lahat? Ayan po.
Sir Benj, una po sa lahat, kwento mo naman sa amin, paano mo ba nakahiligan ang pag-aalaga ng mga rare plants at bakit mo naisipan gawing negosyo ito?
Oh, well, okay. Nagsimula yung hilig ko. Actually, yung simula bata pa talaga ako, mahilig talaga ako mag-plants. I was always told by my father that I always have a green thumb, you know? So, kasi whatever I plant, it grows, you know. And then nag-magnify lang naman itong ang hilig sa plants. It started during the pandemic when everyone is so locked at home. Wala masyadong of course ginagawa kasi nasa bahay lang. And then so what they do is they keep plants, nag-aalaga ng mga plants. Tapos ako, I decided why not try the rare plants, you know? And maganda naman siya sa feeling kasi once may mga sibol, once may mga bagong growth, may mga bagong dahon, it gives you a different kind of happiness, you know? And then sabi ko, may nakikita kasi ako nagbebenta din online. Sabi ko, why not do it? You know, since I have the thumb, I have the green thumb, I have also the capacity to purchase some of the rare plants. So why not propagate and then sell? Tapos sabi ko, nakita ko din, malaki naman, malakas yung malakas ang benta eh. So lalo na it's national. It's not just in Zamboanga City. We do ship like to Cebu, Manila, even Ilocos, Baguio, and then eventually nakapag-ship kami going to Thailand and Netherlands.
Sir Benj, nakakabilib talaga yung ginawa mong pag-live plant selling while on board sa isang private plane. Kwento mo naman sa amin kung ano ang naging feedback ng mga followers and buyers mo dito.
That started with yung online selling sa ere is one of the craziest live selling I did in my entire live selling, you know. I was offered by a friend to do that live selling while they launched their airline, you know. So I grabbed the opportunity and sobrang successful noon kasi lahat ng mga binenta ko doon online are all sold out. You know, so but I think I sold about like 10 pots of plants, 10 pots of rare plants na hindi ko na-expect na ganun ang support ng mga friends ko actually. Oo.
Nako, for sure, Sir Benj, tuwang-tuwa naman talaga yung mga followers mo sa ginawa mong live selling. Pero sir, may mga tips ka po ba sa ating mga kapuso viewers watching at home kung paano ang hustong pag-aalaga ng mga halaman?
Actually, yung pag-aalaga ng halaman talaga is very different from plant to plant. You know, kasi there's lots of different types of plants. Like may monstera, may philodendrons, may aglonemas, and etc. There's a lot of plants. Okay? As long as yung pinaka-basic nito ng pag-aalaga ng plants is do not overwater it. Kasi usually yun ang tendency na ginagawa ng ating mga plantitas eh. Laging wino-water yung plants nila. The plants, they don't need water every day. You know? When it's wet, don't water them. Okay? Antayin mo na mag-dry. Okay? And then of course, it has to be in an area where the sun is filtered. You have to have a filtered light. Okay? And also, you have to have a good media. You have to have a good soil mix. Meron kasi ibang plants na ayaw nila sa soil. Meron din may gusto nila yung may soil. So, it varies. It varies really.
Bukod po sa pagiging live online seller, alam naman po natin na hilig nyo talaga ang pag-aalaga at pagkolekta ng halaman. So matanong ko lang po, ilang plants po ba ang nasa collection nyo at ano po ba ang masasabi nyong pinaka-rare plant sa inyong koleksyon?
I tried to count all my plants pero hindi ko na sila mabilang eh. I started with just 3 and I said, okay, dagdagan ko pa ng konti. Hanggang naging 5, hanggang naging 10, 20, 50, 100. Now, it's a lot. Sobrang dami, hindi ko na sila mabilang. Different types of plants. And ang pinaka-rare actually is this. Pakita ko lang, sample lang ito na ating pink homalomena. Ayan. This one here is a rare plant and hindi siya basta-basta. Actually, this is sold already. And binili ng friend ko din. So, this is one of the rare plants. Actually, some of the plants here at the back are also rare. And sobrang dami ko na ng rare plants, hindi ko na mabilang eh.
Lastly, Sir Benj, any future plans that you want to share sa ating mga Kapuso viewers? I'm sure marami po sa iyong mga Kapuso followers ang nagso-support po sa inyo wholeheartedly.
I have a lot of future plans. One of them is I'll probably go to Thailand next month to do an international live selling, not just here in the Philippines, not just here in Zamboanga, but I plan to go to Thailand and we're actually sorting out the papers. And hopefully, yung mga supporters ko, yung mga followers ko, will support my live selling in Thailand. Sawadee ka.
Maraming salamat, Sir Benj, sa oras na iyong ibinigay dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. More power po sa inyo and patuloy po sa pagiging plantito.
So, thank you At Home with GMA Regional TV for inviting me and for the opportunity to share my story.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.